Okay, now we're gonna install the insulation. I cut them down with a utility knife. They're pretty simple to cut down. And he's gonna install them on, all the way down. Overlap them a little bit since these are pieces. All right, put it down. Got it. We'll put tarp in here so we don't scratch and damage the base. Okay, lift it. Okay, we'll go like this. Wait a second here. Okay, I got it here. It's not too heavy. This is supposed to be lightweight. Okay. Guys, when you install these drywall screw, you want them 16 to 12 inches apart. So here I'm gonna measure 16 inches and I'm gonna mark it. So again, earlier it has 6.5, so I'm gonna mark 16 inches here. These screws, you want it to go in a little bit so that it doesn't stick out. And they do actually sell a tool where you screw it and then it's gonna click. It's gonna know when to slow down, but you see that? You want to go underneath just a tiny bit. Get the drywall on, you can see. Pretty firm, pretty stable. So next I'm gonna do this wall here. And you wanna start from the back and then work your way to left and the right wall. So we finally got the mud paste put on and it's dried up. We actually had to use several coat. We sanded down once and apply it again. And we use this joint tape here, guys. And you can get these at your local box store here. It folds in half. You just put on the joints. And then where you have a joint, you just paste, put mud on. And then you let it dry a day and you put the joint tape on, or you can put it on as soon as you want, but it's a little bit better if you let it dry overnight. And then you put the joint tape on. Okay, you put the joint tape on, you put mud on first, then put the joint tape on and let it dry, and then put another layer of mud on top. So now I'm gonna go ahead and sand it down. And then we're gonna go ahead and put the panels on. But yeah, it's a process, guys. It's not overnight. So expect to do this about 3 or 4 days. Now, if you're really, you're really good at mudding, then you can probably get away with 1 or 2 days, in between drying. But I'm new at this, so it took me, 3 or 4 days to actually get it right, because I had to sand it down and put mud again. What I use is, I bought this tool here for the knives and stuff. It came in a set, guys. It came in 12 inch. You got 12 inch, 10 inch, and you got a bucket and all stuff. So it was really nice. See all this? It came in all this. Of course, I didn't use all the tools, but I have the link down below for you guys. They came with a nice utility combo knife utility where you can scrape things and use it for nails. And then here with a bucket here, guys, look at this. Put your mud in. Really nice 12-inch bucket here, and stainless steel. So buying the whole set's a lot cheaper than purchasing at your local box store. So I went online and bought it on Amazon. I'll, again, have a link below for it. But yeah, other than that, guys, now I'm gonna go ahead and sand it down. We're gonna try to put the panels on today. So we're trying to get the panels in our glass sliding doors panels should be here in a couple days. We can order that online, and it was a little bit cheaper to order online than purchasing at the local box store, but it's heavy. It's about 150 pounds. So once we get the panel on, we can start the door. So we're almost done with this. Okay, and if you watch my other video, you want to double check, make sure there's any leak on your drain kit down here. You drain it, and I show you how to do that on one of the videos. Here I'll have a link to that video too. But yeah, you just want to double check everything before you put on. Again, here, double check there's no leakage, which we already did. You watched my prior videos. But yeah, enjoy the time lapse, guys. Okay, enjoy the time lapse on sanding down the walls, and then once we're done, we'll put the panels on.